Hey you guys, my name is Juhi Arora. Welcome to my channel. So before starting the practice of pranayam, it is very important that both your nostrils are clear. So for that, we'll be doing Kapalbhati Kriya. It is also known as Nadi Shodhi Pranayam because it purifies all your nadis. It is very effective to remove the distractions of the mind and prepare it for meditation, and it also helps to cleanse the respiratory tract and the lungs. It is also known as the forehead brightening exercise because if we break down the Sanskrit word, then Kapal means forehead and Bhati means to brighten. So we can say that this is a cleansing process which brightens the forehead. So for this practice, you can sit in any meditative posture. I am sitting in Padmasana. Ensure that your head, neck and spine are in one straight line and your hands are on your knees. Gently close your eyes, inhale, and while exhaling, give it a forceful exhalation so that your exhalation is active and your inhalation is passive. It can seem as if someone is punching you in the stomach, but breathe through it. Alright, we have to do this flapping continuously. I'll just show you how it is to be done. You got the difference? Could you see the abdomen region flapping in and out? With each exhalation, blast out the air by giving flapping strokes to the abdomen. After you're done with the practice, you can just sit in the same position with your eyes closed, hands on the knees, and you can just observe if you feel any changes in your breathing rate or level. While practicing Kapalbhati, ensure that you don't contract your facial muscles and nostrils too much and that you don't move your body too much. For example, this is wrong. You don't have to use your facial muscles at all. However, you can avoid this exercise if you have high blood pressure, abdomen pain or vertigo. Others can do it, but as per your own capacity and comfort. And apart from brightening the forehead and the face, the flapping gives a good massage to the abdominal region, which in turn helps in the functioning of the organs situated in your abdominal region. It also helps to clear up the sinuses, and it is very good for asthmatics, and if you have any other respiratory disorders as well, this exercise will do wonders for you. If you found this video to be helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more such videos. Also, if you have any other video requests or recommendations, then don't forget to mention them in the comments below. I'll see you again on Thursday. Until then, keep breathing. Namaste.